love it. Look at that. It's so nice. It's so nice. I love it. Tapos, this. I'll find a pocket door. No, it's alright. Oh my god, I love it. And I can't believe that such a bargain, you know, like I'm so lucky. And I'm so lucky one left for my size as well. Can you see that, guys? Oh, I look so cute. And by the way, I am almost 49 years old. And I look like a Barbie doll. Oh my god. See that one? Again, this is from French Connection, by the way. Alright guys, let's try the blue one. Right, okay, this is the blue dress. I like both ways without the belt and probably with belt as well, it's okay. Also, I'm not really fall in love about this color. But should I let go and return? Kasi cheap lang naman siya. But we'll see what it looks like with belt. Okay naman. I think maybe I should keep it there. But I keep looking for pockets though. Something missing. Why they don't do pockets? You know, like French Connection. What is wrong? Is it hard to put a pocket? Come on. Girls need pockets. Where is the pocket? So, there we go. Hindi ko siya naplansa, guys. Ang cute. I love it. Right. First, I thought the orange one, I'm not gonna like it because it's too bright. But no, the orange ones I love. Anyway, guys, that's the quick French Connection haul. And kailangan ko nang bumaba kasi yung niluluto ko baka umapaw na yung tubig at saka yung broccoli ko. Naku, day. Come on.